March is coming. You can feel it in the air. It's a lovely weather today, end of February. Today I want to show you the operation of the Rosen entertainment system installed into this Audi Q7. So come with me. I will show you the operation. First of all, let's have a look at the way it looks. We're matching the leather of the car, the texture, the stitching, and just look at it. It looks like part of the car. It looks like factory, not like it's an aftermarket. Personally, I don't like those Audi screens which stick out here, and then you have like a headrest and the screen here. I like it all integrated, and this gives you that option. So these are the 8-inch high definition, high resolution screens. They tilt as well, so you can adjust them. There's a bit of reflection, as you can see, because they still have the protection film on them. And just want to show you the features of the system. So you have the disc. I'm going to try to get the camera a bit. Oh yeah, there you go. You've got a disc that you load from the top, because each screen has a built-in DVD player. So you load the disc from the top, and then you can play the same movie on both screens, on each screen, or you can play separate movies, which is brilliant if you have kids that are different age or passengers that want to watch different things. You also have HDMI connection, USB, SD, RCA, and these are like, this says on the screen here, but you can't really see it. I'm trying to get a better focus on the camera, but it's just not working. Sorry for the quality of my camera. And you've got settings. To maneuver between the features, you just press on the touchpad that is here, so very easy to operate. You just do this, and it switches between them. To confirm, you just select with the main button here with the switch, the middle one, and you select it. There you go. So the movie is playing. What you can do on the other one, for example, you can go to it says the other screen, select that, and then you have, I'm going to try to show you, you have the same movie on both screens. Or I have inserted the other DVD into this one as well, so you can go to home screen and select this disc, and then we'll have a different movie, I believe. There you go. So it's loading now. We'll have one that is playing here, and the other one that is playing there. It's just loading. It's just starting from new. It saves, memorizes the last position, so restart where you finished. So you've got one movie here, another one here. It comes with a box full of goodies, I would say, call it. You've got instruction, quick start guide and all that. You get two headphones, so the sound can be played through the headphones. It also works through the car speakers, so you can get the sound in the whole car playing if you wish. You get a remote to control it as well. You get this RCA connection, so you can plug that in here if you want to add additional devices to it. You can also, what I want to show you, we have pre-installed here USB and HDMI connection. I'm going to try to focus it, but sorry, the focus is not the best on my camera. So this connections here allow you to plug other devices. So for example, you could plug in let's say Amazon USB stick or HDMI. You can use HDMI connection to plug in like a iPad or anything like that, and you can play it through these screens. They are high definition, so they will play the same resolution and give you that quality you want. So you can plug in USB memory stick or things like that, so it will play that. The system is really great, and matches the car quality and looks like factory sort of installation, looks like part of the car. So it's a lovely piece of kit. We've been working with Rosen for I think like 10 years, and this one, the latest model, AV8900, is, I must say, it is the best one so far. That it's the most polished version they've done, and it's got all the current features you would wish from the entertainment system. If you would like more information, please go to our website, satnavsystems.com, or you can just send us an email, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.